Peppa Pig, Grandpa Pig's Lawnmower. Peppa and George are playing in the garden with their ball. "Come on, George," says Peppa, throwing the ball up into the air. The ball lands in some long grass. Peppa and George go to find it. Peppa and George are having lots of fun. But where is the ball? "The grass is too long," says Peppa. "We'll never find it." Mummy Pig decides that it's time to cut the grass. "We've let the garden get out of control," she says. Daddy Pig wheels out the lawnmower. "It's a bit old and rusty," says Mummy Pig. "Nonsense," says Daddy Pig. Daddy Pig goes to push the lawnmower through the long grass, but it falls apart. "Perhaps it's time to phone Grandpa Pig for help," says Mummy Pig. Grandpa Pig drives his motor mower over to Peppa's house. "This is a job for Betsy," says Grandpa Pig. Betsy is the name of Grandpa Pig's motor lawnmower.
Wow!
Betsy doesn't go very fast. They are slowing down the traffic. Grandpa Pig toots Betsy's horn proudly. Finally, Grandpa Pig arrives.
Hooray!
He drives Betsy into Peppa's garden. "Hello, everyone. I hear there's some grass that needs cutting," says Grandpa Pig. "Hello, Betsy," says Peppa. "Grandpa, can we ride on Betsy?" "Of course," says Grandpa Pig. "Hop aboard."
Hooray!
Peppa and George climb up onto the motor mower next to Grandpa Pig. "Hold tight," says Grandpa Pig. Together they drive into the long grass. Whoosh! Grandpa Pig is having lots of fun. Betsy is very good at cutting grass. Peppa and George are enjoying their ride. "Grandpa, you've missed a bit," says Peppa. "Good spot, Peppa. What's that over there?" says Grandpa Pig. "Our ball!" cheers Peppa. Hooray! "There you go," says Grandpa Pig. "Cutting grass is easy with Betsy." "Thank you for cutting our grass, Grandpa Pig," says Daddy Pig. "And thank you for finding our ball, Grandpa," says Peppa. The end.
Hi kids, did you have fun watching this video? Then like and subscribe for more.